Part 1. You are born. Darkness. You don't see anything at first, only warmth. You are small, weak, blind. You are born inside a hidden den, deep in the forest. You are not alone. You feel something soft moving next to you, your siblings, and then a warm body, your mother. She doesn't say anything. She doesn't need to. In your world, silence means safety, because out there, something is always watching. You don't know it yet, but your life is already dangerous. No school, no teacher, no YouTube tutorial, just survival. Welcome to your life. Part 2. Baby life. No responsibility, only chaos. A few weeks later, your eyes open. Everything looks blurry at first. Then, slowly, the world becomes clear. And your first thought? Why is everything so big? You try to stand. You fall. You try again. You fall again. Congratulations, you are a tiger. But currently, you walk like a broken chair. Your siblings are no better. One bites your ear. Another climbs on your head. You try to roar.
Meow.
Yes, that's your voice. Very scary. Your mother watches quietly. She doesn't laugh, but if she could, she would.
Part 3. First lessons. No school, only reality.
There is no classroom, no blackboard, no "Good morning, teacher." Your training starts without warning. Your mother walks away. You follow. She stops, crouches low, completely still. You copy her. Badly. Your tail is still moving like a flag. Congratulations. Every animal within 1 kilometer now knows you are here. Your mother looks at you like, seriously? She doesn't explain anything. She shows. You learn by watching, by failing, by trying again. Because in your world, if you don't learn, you don't survive. Your first hunt. Mission impossible. You are older now, stronger, still not smart. Today, you try hunting. You see a deer. It looks calm, peaceful, easy. You think, this is my moment. You start walking slowly, then faster. Then suddenly you run. The deer runs faster, way faster. In 2 seconds, it disappears. You stop, breathing heavy. You just learned something important. You are not fast forever. You are fast for a short time. Also, you just wasted your energy. Your stomach says, good job. Now we starve.
Part 5. Surprise, you like water.
You walk near a river. You hesitate. Water? You step in slowly. Cold. Strange. Then suddenly, you enjoy it. You sit in the water, relaxing. Yes, you are a tiger, and you swim. Meanwhile, somewhere, a house cat is afraid of a bucket of water. You would build different. You walk through rivers. You cross lakes. Sometimes, you even hunt near water. Fish don't expect you, and that's their mistake. Part 6. Life alone. No friends, no group chat. You are grown now, fully independent, and completely alone. No pride, no team, no bro, let's hunt together. Just you. You walk through your territory, marking trees, scratching bark, leaving your scent. This is your message. This place is mine. Don't try anything. You don't want fights, because even if you win, an injury can end your life. There is no hospital, no bandage, no rest for 2 weeks. One mistake equals game over. Part 7. The perfect hunt. Night. Silence. You see movement. A wild boar. Strong. Dangerous. But you are patient. You don't rush. You move slowly. Step by step. No sound. No mistakes. You get closer. 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 Then, explosion. You attack. Fast. Powerful. Precise. Within seconds, it's over. This is not luck. This is timing. This is survival. You eat. Finally, peace.
Part 8. Random tiger thoughts. Funny break.
Let's be honest. Your life is wild, but also weird. You don't go to school, you don't watch reels, you don't scroll Instagram for 3 hours. Imagine a tiger with a phone. Bro, I just hunted a deer. Wait, let me post story. No! You don't waste time. You don't overthink. You don't say, I'll start hunting from tomorrow. Tomorrow equals no food. You also don't have a gym membership, but still, full body workout every day. Running, jumping, fighting. Meanwhile, humans, today I'll skip workout. Too tired. You don't get that option.
Part 9. Danger never leaves.
You hear something. Another tiger. This is serious. You don't want conflict, but this is your territory. The air feels heavy. One wrong move, and it becomes a fight. You growl, deep, loud, a warning. The other tiger stops. Silence. Then slowly, it leaves. You didn't fight. Good. Because survival is not about winning fights. It's about avoiding them.
Part 10. Hard days. Not every day is successful. Sometimes you fail again and again. Days pass. No food. Your body becomes weak. This is reality. No guarantee. No fixed meals. No order food online. If you don't hunt, you don't eat. Simple. But you don't give up. You wait. You watch. You try again. Part 11. You are the shadow. Now, you are the shadow. Silent. Deadly. You walk through the forest like a ghost. Animals don't see you. They feel you. Too late. You don't need to roar. You don't need to show off. You exist quietly, and that is your power. Final part. The rule of your life.
You stop near water. Your reflection looks back. You are no longer the small cub. You are a hunter, a survivor, a shadow. In your world, there are no shortcuts, no excuses, no second chances. Only one rule: adapt or disappear. This is not just a tiger's life. This is survival at its purest. If you enjoyed this journey, you already know what to do, because the next story might be even more dangerous.
Comment your favorite part, and don't forget to subscribe. Let me know what I should do next. See you soon.